Two standout names in editing. One burning question. Which one actually wins in 2025? On the left, Descript, AI-powered editing for podcasts, video, and voice. On the right, CapCut, social-first, fast and fun video editing. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the real differences. Every category is scored, so you'll know exactly who takes the crown by the end. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Okay, before we get started, let's break down all the categories we're going to compare these two on. Here's the rundown. Main focus: platforms and accessibility, AI features, price, best use case, and, collaboration. Because, teamwork makes the dream work. All right, ready? Let's get into it. So first up, main focus. Descript is basically the editor's dream for podcasts and long-form videos. It's got text-based editing, killer AI audio cleanup, and, multi-track goodness. If you're doing interviews or voiceovers, this is honestly built for you. But hang on. If you just want to pump out viral TikTok edits or reels with flashy effects, that's where CapCut shines. CapCut makes dragging clips into a trendy timeline super easy. It's like all about social-first workflows and connecting right to TikTok. So if you're into short videos and fun effects, CapCut just makes it look simple. But if you need deep audio tools or transcript editing, well, you're gonna miss out. Main focus? Honestly, both nail their thing. So this one's a tie. Now, let's talk platforms and accessibility. Descript does the classic desktop thing. Windows, Mac, and even web. Pretty solid, but if you're always on your phone, there's no official mobile app. Kind of a letdown, right? CapCut, though, wow. It covers everything. Windows, Mac, web, iOS, Android. It's mobile first and practically everywhere you want to edit. So whether you're on the bus, in bed, or at your grandma's, CapCut's right there. Sure, the desktop version might miss a few fancy features, but for pure accessibility, CapCut absolutely takes this round. Moving on, AI features. Descript, let's just say it's flexing hard. You get automatic transcription, text editing, overdub for voice cloning, AI-powered filler word removal, and audio enhancement. It's almost like magic, but yeah, can be overwhelming for newbies. With CapCut, the AI is a bit more basic. Auto captioning, AI background removal, and some smart cutouts for visuals. It's quick and handy for social stuff. But if you want podcast-level polish or fancy voice cloning, you won't find it here. Winner? Descript. No question. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. CapCut is actually made by ByteDance, the same folks behind TikTok. So that whole viral video vibe? Yep, it's got that TikTok DNA right under the hood. Makes sense why it's so good at short, snappy content. All right, let's talk cash. Price. Descript is pretty fair. You get a free tier, discounts if you're a student or nonprofit, and honestly, the pro features are generous. But if you want all those heavy-duty AI extras, you're bumping up to higher tiers. And plans start at $12 a month. CapCut, it's got nearly everything free. And Pro starts at $7 a month. If you just want quick vids or you're on a budget, CapCut wins easily here. Well, unless you're after those fancy filters, which, yes, are locked behind paywalls too. Now, let's dive into best use case. Descript is just like built for podcasters, YouTubers, course creators, anyone editing spoken word stuff. Teams working on interviews or scripts, you'll love it. But if you're a shorts or reels person, not so much. CapCut, that's for all you TikTok, IG Reel, and viral video fanatics. Marketers, micro teams, brand folks cranking out daily content. It's so fast and fun. Still, if you need pro audio detail, it's kind of limited. But overall, each rocks their niche. So this round's another tie. Last but not least, collaboration. With Descript, you can literally edit together in real time. Leave comments, manage versions. It's awesome for teams spread out everywhere. It just feels pro. CapCut, well, you can share projects and export, but not much deep collaborative stuff. So yeah, Descript definitely takes this round. Just to give you a quick visual, here's how Descript and CapCut stack up across all those categories. You can really see where each one peaks and where they just kind of hang out near the bottom. Honestly, here's the deal. If you're all about podcasts, scripted videos, or any spoken word media, and you want all the fancy AI features to boost your workflow, Descript is basically unbeatable. On the flip side, if you just want to pump out viral social videos, add cool effects on your phone, and move fast, CapCut is your best friend. So pick the one that vibes with your content. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.